Thank you, Sunbury. 2 Argus 2, 2 Echo 0, Sierra, Quebec Bravo, 2 Echo 0, Sierra, Quebec Bravo, 2 Argus.
2E0 SQB, I think it was. Yeah, a very good afternoon to you, sir. The name is Mike, and the call sign Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, over.
X-ray, Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, Mike, thank you very much. Good afternoon to you for the city of Exeter, and I'll give you a report on the next over.
Okay, roger, roger. Okay, you are peaking 5 and 9, peaking 5 and 9, between 5 and 7 and 5 and 9. I'm currently portable. I should have added that on the end of the call sign. Up here, just arrived just outside Kirkcaldy, just north of Edinburgh. The name, as I say, is Mike, and I'm actually doing a video at the moment. I'm working portable right on the sea wall near Dysart, I think it is, using a Yaesu 991, and I'm just doing a quick video demonstrating a high-end fed long wire antenna supported by a kite. Back over to you from Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, over.
Okay, Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, 2 Echo 0, Sierra, Quebec Bravo. I think you said you're working portable. There's a little bit of noise, about a 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, a little bit of QSO on the band there. And I think you said you're working from an NSED on portable by the sea, I think you said. Conditions this side is Yaesu 450 running 50 watts with an NSED also.
Yeah, roger, roger. Just if you wouldn't mind repeating your name, please. Yeah, the end-fed antenna is supported by a Sotabeams Kite. The kite is actually around about 50 feet in the air, supported by a park bench, which I am currently sat on. 66 watts this end, for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, very nice to speak to you. Back over to you. 2E0 SQB, Mike 0, Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray portable, over.
Yeah, okay, Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray portable, 2XQB. Okay, yes, you came up a little bit on that last over, and yes, okay. Name this side again is Slade, Sierra Lima Alpha Delta Echo, Sierra Lima Alpha Delta Echo. And yes, so Sotabeams, we've got a few of our antennas here that I use for portable work also, with a bit of data with them, and they seem to work very well. Back to you.
Yeah, roger, roger. Well, I've only used this kite once before, and it didn't really... Oh, hold on, the kite is just broken. Damn. Okay, the kite is now in the sea. I'm going to have to go QRT.
Well, I think you said that they're using kite, is that correct?
Yeah, I'm going to have to go QRT because the kite is just broken.
Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, 2 Echo 0, Sierra, Quebec Bravo, use the ready Mike. Mike 0, X-ray Mike X-ray, 2 Echo 0, Sierra, Quebec Bravo.
Basically, it just went poing, and the kite flew away from the end of the rope. The kite ended up in the sea, and I would imagine that the drogue has just dragged it down, and it's gone. So I've gone looking for it, but it is nowhere to be seen. So, and I'm on the same beach as where my kite took a dive. I know it's a bit of a long shot, but I thought I'd have a look for it. I'd rather not have to buy another Sotabeams kite, but it is very, very good for the use. So if I can't find it, then I suppose I'll have to buy another one. But they're not cheap, but they do a good job, as I say. But anyway, here I am walking along the beach, having a look. Not holding out much hope, but you never know. It's got like a tail, a drogue, that keeps it in the right position for the wind, and I'm hoping that maybe the current took it down and the drogue got caught up on one of these rocks. Okay, so here I am now, back home. Had an amazing time in Scotland, playing radio from both the seashore and also from the SOTA summit. So thanks very much for watching the video. The first thing I did when I got home was I sent Sotabeams an email explaining what had happened, and also a link to the first part of this video, showing them that you know, basically the string came detached, and basically their response was, well, it's my responsibility to check the knots. And yeah, okay, I get that. It is my responsibility to check the knots, just the same as it's my responsibility as a car driver to check the tyre pressures of my car and the oil and the water before every journey. And yeah, we all do that, don't we? So yeah, but anyway, Sotabeams gave me a very, very generous offer of free postage on a new purchase. I don't know. Am I asking too much? Is this not necessarily what customer service is all about? I know that there are quite a few companies out there that make these fiberglass poles, and part of their guarantee is if you break any of these sections, they'll actually send you a replacement free of charge, because that's the kind of confidence that they've got in their product. Now, me personally, when I bought that kite, nobody, okay, you could say, well, it's fairly obvious, Mike, but nobody actually said, check all the knots every time you use it. And maybe it's me, you know, maybe I am stupid. You tell me, am I wrong? Anyway, I'm not going to let it affect me. I will still carry on enjoying the hobby. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you've enjoyed all the videos that I've done this year. This probably will be the last, or maybe the last but one video that I'll do on amateur radio, this side of 2019. So thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you very much for subscribing, if you have. And if you haven't, then, well, feel free, carry on and subscribe. At least that way you'll get notified. If you've liked the video, give me the thumbs up, please. And if you don't like the video, well, give me the thumbs down. I can take constructive criticism, so yeah, feel free. Okay, 7-3 everybody, and have a fabulous new year. Bye for now.